So, bring this all to a conclusion and how we can reach from analog to automated lab. To face the challenges we heard from Heike at the beginning, to bring this down, we see in the lab every day a lot of challenges, but I want to break them down also on a couple of the most important ones. So paper-based work, raw material, raw sheets, or even a lot of samples which are not labeled. The device zoo, which we heard from Simon, which is also a big problem, which brings a lot of devices within a lot of systems. And we have the most common tool, which we see in a lot of labs, is Excel. Who can relate of one of these challenges? I sense. We have all the same problem. Good. What we come out of this is manual data management. Often leads to errors, less common sense. Inconsistencies, traceability is a big problem. It uses a lot of time and needs a lot of manpower. And also it forces delays. If we are in production, we have some products, they have to be approved, ready to the market, and they wait for approval of any kind of result out of quality control lab. That's kind of a problem. Facing the device soup and the systems, how many time is used or even burned by switching different systems, or even learning new lab technicians into this, using these systems efficiently. From my experience, a lot of time. And also by using Excel, mentioned already from Heike, is the traceability, which leads and can cause also some kind of quality problems. Plug operations, which are not inefficient or which are not efficient, and the worst case is damaged reputation of the company itself. How we can get rid of the most important challenges and how we can face them. So what we see is, if you imagine a graph of efficiency and effectiveness, so